आयज डिपार्टमेंटान अलॉटमेंटाची लॉटरी दवरली आयज. I as a president of All Goa Shekono Welfare Society, I am very happy. Everything has been done transparently, and we are happy with what the process department has done. So it has been done properly. There is no issue, nothing.
कितली सेट्स आहे तुला?
In South Goa, 109 checks.
There was allegation from some of the check owners that some people are getting the lot or the allotment at the same place continuously. So what you have to say about it?
No, they are going lottery, no? See, if it is lottery, nobody can blame anybody. It has been done here. You were inside. It has been done transparently. If I am getting lottery for maybe 100 years, if it is a lottery, you cannot blame anyone. So those who are complaining, they must be, ungrateful to someone. They must have done something wrong to someone. So that's why they are paying it. Am I right? It is lottery, no? Now nobody can complain because even if I get it for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, nobody can complain.
Now this allotment is for this year.
No, 3 years.
3 years.
This has been done for 3 years.
Today on 30th of October, we were supposed to do the allocation of shacks for South Goa beaches. So the allocation started on time which was the proposed time at 11 o'clock, and it went on till 3 p.m. And there were 21 shack locations which were supposed to be allocated, and 108 shacks which were supposed to be for South Goa. And total number of shacks which have been allocated is 103, out of which Zalor Beach 1, Belsound Beach 2, and Bogmalo Beach 2. This total number of 5. For which there were no shack applicants, so which we have allocated is 103. So the whole process went on smoothly without any hiccups. And this policy is valid from 2019 to 22. So it's valid. This allocation is valid for next 3 years.